Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and I just wanted to jump on and show you what I've got going on today. In my Etsy store, everything is either on sale or ships free. So this is just a few of the items that I have in there. There's much more. So I just want to invite you to go check it out. Christmas is coming up soon, and all these hand-designed items are unique. They would make perfect Christmas gifts or just gifts for any occasion, really. Or if you want to spoil yourself and get you something, that would be great. So go and take a look at what's available. And a lot of these items, y'all may have already watched me create these on the videos that I've posted. So you already know how I did it. And now they are available to purchase. But if you're new to my channel, let me invite you to my channel and check out some of those videos. And please subscribe and ring that bell so you'll get notified when I upload future videos. This is so much fun. I enjoy doing these things and showing you what I create. So also, I just want to thank y'all for everything that you do, watching my videos, clicking that like and share button, and all of that kind of stuff helps my channel grow. And I just want to say thank you. So go check out my Etsy shop, see what all is available. No mask required. Isn't that wonderful? And please share this video with everybody. You never know, maybe they need something and want to purchase something out of the Etsy store. So thank y'all so much, and I hope to see you in my next creative escapade and in my Etsy store. Bye bye for now.